How did you get? Hey, God. Elishiba, of all the place for this house, Elishiba, look at me. Of all the seats where they this, and I tell you for see yourself. Elishiba, what are you sitting on? On my pot. Hi, fine girl, sexy girl. Twin twin. Twin twin. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Brother Faili, what are you sitting on? On my pot that I used to cook. So you don't tell me where to sit now. You said to sit on my pot. Are you tired? Eh? Are you tired now? Hey, you want to sleep? Hey, you are tired. Who put it there? Mama? Your sister. Your sister put it there. I stuck, oh. Follow my jari. I found me. Guarda me. Cosa c'è? Hai mangiato? Cosa è questo? Lascia. Hai mangiato? Cosa vuoi? Guarda, osso. Osso. Hey, you have to stand up, okay? You can't sit on my pot. It's for cooking. It's for cooking. Shiba. No. It's not for cooking. See this girl. He says it's not for cooking. What are you washing? Also. Hi. Elizabeth. Guardame. Oh yeah, you stand up on my pot. Stand up for my pot, oh. See, I just sit that comfortable like children. I remember that time we carry her come over my pot, oh. She don't tire. No, she's tired. How are you? Say, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah. Say, how are you, my fans? What are you doing? You are watching also? Where's your sister? Where's your twin sister? Go and call your twin sister for me. Go and call your twin sister for me. Yeah, Bacho. Dami Bacho. Cinque. Yeah, dammi 5. Dammi 5. Ah, dammi 5 ancora. Oh, dammi 5 ancora. Oh, grazie. Come stai? Bene. Vai a sediti. Vai a giocare con tua sorella. Vai andare a giocare, Vai andare a giocare con sorella? Chi è loro? E say ciao. Sì. I say ciao. Now it's your turn to sit on my pot. What are you doing? Cosa fai? You are sitting on my pot again. You are sitting on my pot. Oddio. Say ciao. Say ciao. Cosa fai? Hai fame? Hai fame? Sì.